WhatsApp usuyaholelana and understand the truth shall set you free. So lalela mntomnyama, WhatsApp has joined the family. Facebook, TikTok, YouTube. WhatsApp usuyaholelana. Asiqale. Let's go back asibuyele emumva. Ngo-2014 uMark Zuckerberg bought uWhatsApp ngo-19 billion, and for years uWhatsApp has earned relatively little amount compared to uFacebook no-Instagram. But manje ngo-2026 uWhatsApp has introduced ama-adverts, uWhatsApp has introduced ama-features, and they have increased imali abayenzayo to 160 billion annually ngonyaka. And understand, uMark Zuckerberg was getting 160 billion per annum ngonyaka from WhatsApp, and he decided ukuthi uzoholela abantu ku-Facebook, aholela abantu ku-Instagram, and right now as of 2026 finally usezoholela abantu ku-WhatsApp through WhatsApp content monetization. For years uWhatsApp bungawavezi ama-adverts kwi-app yabo, but ngo-2025 December uMeta officially rolled out ama-status ads, rolled out ama-promoted channels, and rolled out ama-paid channel subscription. What does this mean? This means if wena uhlangane ne-status esine-advert, if wena ujoyine i-channel, and if wena uyi-subscriber kuleyo channel, you can get paid, and all it takes is ukuthi wena u-update uWhatsApp wakho mase upress yes mase bekubuza ukuthi do you want le feature. Hlakanipha-ke mntomnyama and understand ukuthi uMark Zuckerberg owns uMeta. That means he owns uWhatsApp, uTelegram, uFacebook, and he wants to combine wonke lawo ma-platform ukuthi aholele abantu. That's why he keeps introducing ama-monetization kuma-apps akhe, and le mali ingena ngama-dollar. Understand, waposta kwi-status sakho ku-WhatsApp iyangena imali, wavula i-channel i-WhatsApp and abantu bayijoyina, uMark Zuckerberg uzokuholela. Understand ukuthi kwavela i-advert on i-status sakho ku-WhatsApp, uMark Zuckerberg uzokuholela. And understand, wena mntomnyama, you already have WhatsApp efonini yakho and you already use it on a daily basis. So the minute uMark Zuckerberg exsendela i-message ethi you now qualify to earn ku-WhatsApp, press yes. Ama-WhatsApp statuses, this is where izinto start to look similar to uFacebook. Understand ukuthi uMark Zuckerberg gets ama-request on a daily basis, abantu wanting to advertise ama-business abo on i-platform yakhe, and so you can post ukhazini wakho ne-birthday kwi-status sakho, and then suddenly kwi-post elandelayo sesibona i-Nike, sesibona i-advert yaka-Nike, and then futhi kwenye sesibona ukhazini wakho eyidlalela nengane, and then boom sesibona u-Adidas. Understand ukuthi the minute you see an ad kuma-post omuntu, understand ukuthi uyahola. Angizwa nini? Angizwa. Listen to me. A creator with about 50,000 number that posts ama-statuses abukwa abantu abaningi and has huge engagement can make imali because they can generate above 500, above 1,000, even more than 5,000 just from umuntu obuke i-status sakhe. Status monetization, ad revenue resharing, ikuholelwa wena, creator dashboard, verified creator account, bonus payout, premium channels, AI generated business tools, paid live broadcast, konke lokhu ukuthola ku-WhatsApp. uMark Zuckerberg useyasiholela ku-WhatsApp.